Hi everyone, welcome to the 12th episode of XM Update. In Xtreme Media's projects family, a groundbreaking project has unfolded. Yes, you heard that right. Xtreme Media has recently installed the largest indoor angular LED display of size 36 meters by 5.5 meters in the lobby area of one of the renowned real estate developers. Turning dreams into reality is never easy. The Xtreme Media team faced an intricate challenge of aligning the three-side angular screen. In their pursuit of perfection, they overcame this challenge with precision and dedication. This LED display is from our Vega series. With a pixel pitch of 2.5 mm and brightness levels of 800 nits, the screen provides exceptional color clarity and high-quality visuals. The impressive screen has captivated all visitors, leaving a lasting and memorable impression. Xtreme Media has hit the nail with its vision to illuminate the lobby through this mesmerizing and magnificent LED display. The company has not only set a new standard in technological innovation, but has also elevated the lobby into a captivating space where every pixel tells a story. Until the next episode, signing off.